Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're taking a slightly wry, good-natured look at the homeowner's guide to electrical myths. You know, those little electrical quirks in our homes that we just love to ignore? We all do it, right? We notice something a little off with the electrics, but instead of dealing with it, we come up with a highly creative, very comforting excuse so we don't have to call a professional. Well, today, we're going to bust some of those myths using insights from the incredibly experienced team at MS Electrical Solutions, based right here in Surrey.
I want you to be totally honest with yourself for a second. Have you ever treated a tripping circuit breaker like a snooze button? You absolutely know the drill. The power cuts out, you let out a heavy sigh, wander over to the consumer unit, flip the switch back on, cross your fingers, and just hope for the best. No investigation, right? Just a quick reset and you're back to your day. It is an incredibly common habit.
And honestly, that leads us perfectly into the things we hear all the time in Surrey homes. Ask any experienced tradesperson and they'll tell you the rationalizations we come up with to avoid picking up the phone are endlessly entertaining. We convince ourselves that everything is perfectly fine. Like, we actually tell ourselves a socket is totally safe as long as it isn't actively shooting sparks across the room. So let's walk through some of the absolute most common myths and bad habits that electricians run into day in and day out.
Let's kick things off with myth 1, the nuance trip. Or, as it's often subtitled, it's just the toaster acting up again.
When a specific circuit trips repeatedly, our trusty homeowner logic kicks in. We just blame the nearest appliance, keep resetting the breaker, and completely ignore the underlying issue. I mean, it's easy, it's free, and hey, it makes the lights come back on. But in reality, a circuit breaker or RCD that keeps tripping is actively doing its job. It's actually a warning sign of a real fault, not just a nuisance. It usually means you've got a damaged cable, a failing appliance drawing excess current, a loose connection, or even moisture ingress, which, by the way, is super common in outdoor fittings and garden sockets. So yeah, it's not the toaster acting up, it's the system literally screaming for a proper diagnostic check. Moving right along to myth 2, the harmless flickering light. Subtitle, it adds character to the room. You definitely know the one. It's that hallway light that flickers every time someone walks a bit too heavily upstairs, or the bathroom light that just dims randomly. We usually tell ourselves it's probably just a loose bulb. We give it a quick twist and then cheerfully ignore it when it starts flickering again 3 days later. But listen, persistent flickering or intermittent lights, especially across multiple rooms, isn't adding character. It often points to a broken or loose connection at the fitting, the switch, or the junction box. Or if you have modern LED lighting, it could be a failing lamp driver. Either way, it's a connection that genuinely needs a proper look by a pro. Next up is myth number 3, old reliable wiring. Subtitle, it's worked fine for 40 years. So there's this dangerous bit of homeowner logic that dictates if the wiring hasn't burned the house down in the last 4 decades, it must be practically indestructible. We see this all the time in areas like Horley and Crawley. But there are physical warning signs of outdated wiring that you simply cannot ignore. For instance, if you have an old fuse box with those little rewirable fuses instead of modern switches, you need an upgrade. Spotting black rubber, fabric, or lead-sheathed cabling, that means your wiring is decades old and likely deteriorating. Got round pin sockets, or maybe sockets mounted directly into your wooden skirting boards? Those are huge red flags. And crucially, if your setup has no RCD protection, you're relying on borrowed time, not old reliable wiring. These are genuine signs that a modern consumer unit upgrade or a full rewire is required. And that brings us to a big one. Myth 4, the burning smell. Subtitle, it's probably just dust on the heater. It is honestly amazing how often people will notice a faint, fishy, burning smell or actually feel that a socket is physically warm to the touch and just engage in pure wishful thinking. We tell ourselves it'll go away on its own. But in stark reality, a burning smell means connections are running above their rated temperature. This is often caused by an overloaded circuit, like when we stack multiple extension leads and adapters together, which is incredibly common but highly dangerous. Or it could be a loose terminal arcing right there behind the wall. This isn't just a quirky little habit. It's an immediate fire hazard that demands prompt, systematic investigation by a qualified electrician. Which brings us to the solution. I absolutely love this quote from MS Electrical Solutions. We'll give you a straight answer on what's needed and what isn't. When you finally decide to stop living with these electrical myths, you want a friendly, no-nonsense local expert. You don't want a long lecture about your bad habits, you just want it fixed safely. So why does MS Electrical Solutions stand out for homeowners in Surrey and West Sussex? Well, first off, they are NAPIT-accredited, meaning all their work is fully certified and adheres strictly to current BS 7671 wiring regulations. Plus, They bring over 30 years of hands-on experience. Whether it's a quirky Victorian terrace in Redhill or a 1980s semi in Crawley, they've seen it and solved it. You also get direct, honest communication. You speak directly to them, not some random call center. And best of all, no pushy upselling and no hidden charges. They literally just diagnose the fault and fix it. Okay, so how do we actually go about fixing these quirks? First step, stop ignoring the warning signs. Stop resetting the breaker, stop ignoring the flickering, and definitely stop ignoring burning smells. Next, book an EICR, which stands for Electrical Installation Condition Report. Think of it as an MOT for your home's electrics, just to see exactly what condition the installation is in. And finally, let MS Electrical diagnose and repair it properly. Please, skip the temporary DIY workaround you found on a late-night YouTube tutorial. And hey, if you're worried about the cost of a call-out, MS Electrical Solutions' standard hourly rate for fault finding in the Horley area is just £75. They use a very systematic process of elimination with a multifunction tester to find exactly where the fault lies. And the best part? For most straightforward faults, the diagnosis and repair can be completed in a single visit without breaking the bank. Which leaves us with this final, slightly provocative question. Why Google it at 11 p.m. when you can just call the pros? Look, we've all been there, deep down an internet rabbit hole at midnight, trying to figure out if our consumer unit is about to blow. But honestly, your peace of mind and your home safety is worth so much more than a stressed-out Google search. If in doubt, just give an experienced professional a call. So, if you're ready to stop living with those little electrical hazards, MS Electrical Solutions provides trusted domestic electrical services across Horley, Crawley, Redhill, Reigate, and the surrounding Surrey and Sussex areas. You can reach out and call Mark directly on 07508 224 603. They genuinely treat every home as if it were their own. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer. Remember, leave the electrical myths behind and stay safe out there.